channel. In this video I will be show you how to add my computer to desktop. So let's get started. Firstly, right click on the empty space, click on personalize, scroll down, click on themes, again scroll down. Here you will see desktop icon settings, click on it. Now check the computer icon. Here you will see this PC or computer. Now click on apply, then OK. Now you will see that's it. My computer will now appear on your desktop. Here you will see. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more window tips and tricks, and comment below if you need help with anything else. Thanks for watching.